Hi everyone, merhaba, welcome back to my channel. I have a quick and easy after school or late night craving snack you can enjoy week long. It's a melt in the mouth salty biscuit with a sweet touch and Nigella seeds that are packed in flavor. Perfect with a glass of Turkish tea or with coffee time. So let's make it. I have 125 grams of butter here, adding half cup vegetable oil, going to crack one egg. I'm gonna use the egg white in here and keep the yolk for top. Two tablespoons grape vinegar, 2 tablespoons sugar, 2 tablespoons Nigella seeds, 2 tablespoons water, close to 3 cups flour, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon mahlep powder, and we are good to go. I'm gonna continue to add more flour until it becomes a dough. I have nice, smooth, playable dough now. It's time to shape it. In this recipe, the traditional way of shaping it is making small balls. For the leftover dough, I wanted to shape it differently, so I press it to make it flat and first dip it into egg whites and then sesame seeds. Finally, brush generously with the egg yolk and bake in preheated 175 Celsius degree oven for about 25-30 minutes until it is golden color. I also wanted to make something sweet along with the salty crackers, so I decided to make apple-filled cookies. Since I used the apple filling generously, for the last couple of ones I used marmalade on top. It's one of my favorite cookies for the fall season. I have the recipe on my channel, please check the links down below to make it. The salty biscuits has melt in the mouth texture and stays fresh for a month. perfect when you want something salty as a snack. So give it a try. I hope you're gonna enjoy it. I have many similar recipes like this, as we love salty crackers, biscuits and böreğs in Turkish cuisine. So do check them. I also filmed my sourdough bread recipe as you wanted from me. So stay tuned. Thanks for watching. I hope to see you in another delicious Turkish food recipes and travel vlogs. Afiyet olsun.